Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel XAT Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha Das and today we will be doing the second session on permutation and combination. That's a very important part of Quants. Hi Setu, good afternoon. Okay, so for the first session, we just did few important points related to what? Related to how to use the PnC formulas carefully without memorizing it, or you can say by simplifying the process. Then we also found out the relation between P and C, when to use permutation, when to go for combination, what's the most basic process followed, and then we made comparisons between them, and we did arrangement in a circle and so many things, right? Repetition, things like that. Hi Ria. So what we'll be doing today is first thing first, I'll be having 6 questions for you people in the beginning of the session only. That will be a quick rapid fire. Now what you people are supposed to do in the rapid fire is that I'll be noting down the time you people are taking for answering these 6 questions, and these 6 questions will be super simple, just calculation basics questions. Okay, that means you have to just do it based on your calculation, like what is 6 p1, like that. Okay, hi Jeez, good afternoon, welcome to the session. Fine. So the moment I start the, like, take you to the next slide, I'll start the timer, and then you have to answer all of them together, like 1, 20, 2, 10, 3, 1400, like this. Okay, and answer me back in the chat. I'll just give you a maximum of 4 minutes. Okay, that means not 1 minute also per session, like per question. Hi, good afternoon, Shan. All right, so ready everyone? Okay, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here's the quiz mode on for you people right now. So I'm going to get started with my stopwatch, and you people get ready with solving. Okay, the solving process was already discussed. So this is for those who have already attended the session 1. And those who haven't seen the session 1 can check my playlist and get it from there. Okay. Do not answer one by one, okay, because I'll note the time taken to answer all the 4 together. Oh, all the 4 together, that means 3 minutes only. 3 minutes only. Only 3 minutes. There are only 4 questions. I thought there are 6. How to solve a P, how to solve a C. I just want to check how many of you remember this thing. Hello Amritesh, good afternoon. Welcome to the session. Amritesh, you have only 3 minutes with you, and right now you have only 2 minutes to solve these 4 questions in the chat. Please answer all the 4 together. This is just a quick revision. Let's see. Then we'll do some real-time questions with you people without discussing anything new. And as mentioned in the description box or in the title, that I'm going to tell you something which relates PnC with number system. That's very interesting and very, very, very fantastic thing. Okay. Okay, Setu has already answered in 1 minute and 39 seconds. That's great. But Setu, are you sure? I think I should say that you have scored 3 out of 4. Can you check for the one in which you are going wrong somewhere? Others, it's already 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, Avinash, good afternoon. Welcome to the session. So I have got answers from Avinash as well. So Avinash, same, 3 out of 4 in 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Okay, you people have only 30 seconds with you. Answer, otherwise I'll start. Okay. Setu and Avinash, for you both, one of the question is wrong. So I think you people can find that out, which one is going wrong somewhere. Mm-hmm. Time's up, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Time's up, everyone. Okay, so geez, all correct answers in 3 minutes and 5 seconds, and Setu has corrected his answer. Very nice. Yes, yes, got it. So, Ria, where are you? Okay, so over here, if you observe, what was the thing which I told you for P? The thing for P is that there is no denominator in P. We don't have to think about any denominator in P. We'll just open the number at the top as many times as the number written at the bottom. So n will open itself as many times as r. So 6 into 5 into 4. Only 3 times we'll open that. कैलकुलेटर नहीं है, बिल्कुल अच्छा कैलकुलेटर की जरूरत भी नहीं है इसमें अभी फिलहाल. ओके, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एरर कर दिया इसमें. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो 5 into 4 is 20, into 6 is 120. Similarly, 16C2. What is the process of 16C2? कोई बात नहीं रिया, that's fine. All are correct. So 16C2, the process of C is that you will have a numerator and you will have a denominator, but you will open the numerator as many times as the denominator only. That means you will keep 16 into 15 divided by 2 into 1. And I know that it will get cancelled off, so it will again give you a 120. 18 into 8 into 15. Okay. Same goes to 9p5. Now the calculation is longer here, no doubts. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Okay, but what can we do in these cases? Always try to make groups and pairs. Like 6 into 5 will surely give you a 30. So आपको 30 की चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको बस 3 की चिंता करने की जरूरत है. Fine. Similarly, if you land across any of these calculations, you can make a group and carry forward your calculations. The answer will be 15120. Okay, and the last question is 7C4. So I'll open 7 4 times, that is 6, 5 and 4, and I'll open 4 also 4 times. That will remain as 4 factorial only. So I can cancel 3, 2, 6, 4, 4, and I'll be left with a 35. Simple. So that was a quick check on how much you remember from the previous sessions, and PnC calculations are really important, and you people remember this. That's more than enough. Okay. Now let's get started with the first question of the day. This time without giving you any prior information of any theoretical thing, I want all of you to try a question all by yourself. Completely do it yourself, and don't think, yeah, of course it's not CAT level, but it will surely be a part of your OMETs. Okay, direct question for OMETs. So here comes a direct question from OMET related to Nestle. The letters of Nestle are permuted. Here the word permuted is already mentioned. Okay, permuted in all the possible ways. How many of these words begin with a T? We will not use any funda here. We'll do it all by understanding. But I want to give you people at least 1.5 minutes to think on your own, and then I'll get started with this question. So go for it and think how can you do this and how can you get the answer for this one. Do not apply any PC formula, anything like that. Just do it the way you think it should be done. Whatever comes to your mind. इस तरह के लेटर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस किसी फॉर्मूला के डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. You can be given any number of constraints in these type of questions. So the better is to do it by understanding, not by any formula. Think and do it. I'll just wait for another minute. Hi Tejaswini. So NCR formula. Yeah Tejaswini. So in the last session, in the previous session 1, I told you a formula of using the C and the P in a better way. Okay. So just like in the previous question, if you are given 6C2, then you will be opening 6 only 2 times and 2 only 2 times. Okay. That is equivalent to what you will get when you will apply the formula. that is n is equals to 6, r is equals to 2, and this will go as 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. That will give you the same thing as this. You can try that out by cancelling all of it. The reason is this and this will completely go out and you will be left with that. That's why this is the shortcut. Okay, and it is a good shortcut. Why? Because it will be applicable throughout all the questions, not having any constraints. Okay, try this question all and then I'll get started with this. Okay, and those who are joining the session, please do like the session as well. So Nestle has how many letters in it? Nestle has exactly, just a second, Nestle has exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Oh, very nice, Tejaswini. Very good. It's good that you remember. Okay, correct, Riya. 6 letters है हमारे पास, and we are asked to find out the number of ways in which we can form different 6-letter words only which begin with a T. So out of the 6 options available with us, okay, यहाँ पर हम लोग 2 concept नया सीखने वाले हैं. एक repetition and second filling of any particular thing. So if I am fixing T at one position, ये fix हो गया, ये हिल ही नहीं सकता. 6 like out of 6, 1 position is fixed. How many positions can be permuted? How many positions can be permuted? 5 positions can be permuted. 5 positions can be permuted मतलब आपको उसका मतलब पता है ना? 5 इस ब्लैंक में 5 लेटर्स डालने का ऑप्शन है हमारे पास. अगर इसमें एक फिक्स हो गया then the next blank will be having 4, 3, 2, 1. What is this sequence called? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is this sequence called? This sequence is called as 5 factorial. This sequence is called as 5 factorial. Will we stop only by 5 factorial? Will 5 factorial be our answer? No. The reason is one letter. Which is that one letter? Can anyone tell me in the chat? Which is that one letter? The letter is E. Very good. Why? Because E is twice in Nestle. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात है ना, ये एकदम कॉमन सेंस पे लेते हैं हम लोग. अभी यहाँ पर पीएनसी सिर्फ और सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के बेसिस पे कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट using or memorizing anything right now. We are just doing it by understanding. So if you remember somewhere back in school when you did the PnC chapter, ये हमें बिल्कुल पढ़ाया गया था कि अगर 2 E है तो we have to divide the answer by 2 factorial. If E would be repeated 3 times, we'll divide it by 3 factorial, like that. Correct? This was taught to us in school, but we were not told why are we dividing this by 2 factorial. Just because it is repeating 2 times? No, because इस E में और दूसरे E में, like this E and this E are indistinguishable. They are not different. And when they are not different and considered same, हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि ये E, like this E is over here और this E is over here. E1, E2 होता तो हमें फर्क पड़ता. That would have been a separate case which we would have counted. But here we are not counting it that way. Why? Because both the E's are same और हमें बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. तो एकदम कॉमन सेंस लगाओ, इससे नंबर ऑफ केसेस कम हो जाएंगे या नंबर ऑफ केसेस बढ़ जाएंगे? Will the number of cases increase or decrease? Anyone in the chat? If I have a repeated letter, will the number of cases decrease or increase? Very good, Tejaswini. It will be less, it will decrease. So that means we will be dividing by 2 factorial because it is repeated 2 times. Good, good. Good G's, good Riya, good Avinash. Perfect. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial is your answer. फटाफट मुझे बताइए which option is the correct answer here. Avinash has given an answer already. Very good. Others, anyone? Try it. I'll give another condition in the coming question. Same. Avinash, G's, 60, 60, Tejaswini 60. Okay. Now see, 5 factorial by 2 factorial का मतलब ही बिल्कुल C है, 5C2. क्यों बताओ? Because 5P2. क्यों बताओ? क्योंकि this is equivalent to 5P2. Why? Because I'll be opening 5 only 2 times. Now, आपने एक फॉर्मूला पढ़ा होगा, NCR is equals to NC N minus R, है ना? मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस ही नहीं कराना चाहती इस फॉर्मूला से, बस बेकार में मैंने ये चीज बोल दिया, करेक्ट? इसीलिए इसको स्किप ही कर दो. ये NC N minus R है ना, that was the one which would be included over here, but we'll just do it our way. We know that we will be opening it only for 3 steps because उसके आगे का 2 steps तो 2 factorial से कट ही हो जाएगा, correct? So that will be equivalent to 60 over here. Option C. जितना हो सके we will keep ourselves away from the formulas. Okay? जितना possible है, of course. कहीं ना कहीं तो आएगा ही formula का role, but this can be skipped. Okay, next question everyone, quick. Absolutely same question. The condition is different. So please think and answer. Just the condition is different. This time you don't need my calculation help. So you can answer this question all by yourself. And this one is much easier than the previous one also. Okay, I got an answer from Avinash, then from Ria. Okay. Others? Confirm. Setu G's. Okay. So Nestle has 6 letters and they are asking me to fix the E over here and fix the E over here. Okay. Fixing E over here, fixing E over here. Ria, the number of positions left. The number of positions left. Okay, Tejaswini, 24. The number of position left is 4. So 4 places can be permuted within themselves. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is 4 factorial multiplied is equals to 24. Now tell me one thing. Will we just fix our answer to 24 or will I multiply 24 into 2? Why shouldn't I multiply 24 into 2? Because this E and this E are not different. So it really doesn't make a different case if I swap the E within themselves. Just imagine the same question. Okay, take the same question half away. Oh, this is too big. Just take the same question half away and say that, let's say, it should start with a E and end with a N. Start with a E and end with a N. Now the answer would be same as 24 or will it change? Apply common sense, no formula. Will it remain same or will it change? दो ही वर्ड में आंसर करने बोल रही हूँ, सेम और चेंज. अविनाश से सेम, रिया चेंज. ओके, चेंज हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा नेक्स्ट? डिफरेंट नंबर. रिया, तेजस्विनी सेम. ओके, others are thinking. से तो चेंज, कैसे चेंज? Here is E fixed. They have said it will begin with E and end with N. तो ये हमने दो जगह पूरी तरह से फिक्स कर दिए ना. This E and this N cannot swap. क्योंकि हमने बोला ही है that we'll start with a E and we'll end with a N. So the answer will also be same. Good G's. Good Tejaswini. All right. Good Avinash. So that is the case. अगर हमें ऐसा बोला होता either starts with E और और स्टार्ट्स विथ n, तब हमारे पास एक एडिशनल पॉसिबिलिटी होती, ठीक है। बट ये सारी एडिशनल चीजें हैं, यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस राइट नाउ, ओके। Yes, correct, Tejaswini. Now also 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now, one more question this time. This time it's the same as I asked. Second case. Chalo, I don't think this time you people will have any problem answering this question. Question number 3, same, Nestle. इसके बाद वाला क्वेश्चन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, ओके। सो तेजस्विनी सेज आंसर इज 24, ओके। सेतु 24, जीस 24, रिया 24, कोई और बचा है या मैं बता दूं? अविनाश 12, ओके। सो अविनाश, वेल डन। एंड अदर्स, प्लीज फाइंड आउट गलती कहाँ हो रही है, find out where are you doing a mistake here. 6 possibilities with us, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is fixed as L, this is fixed as S, this is fixed as L. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 तो आप लोगों ने कर दिया, but who will remember about E? Who will remember about E? E is repeated, right? So हमें इस चीज को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए that E is double. Yes, so 4 factorial, yes Shayan, that's right, by 2 factorial will be my answer. We'll divide by 2, correct. Yes Tejaswini, yes G's, that's absolutely right. तो ऐसे slight mistakes होना possible है, और अभी तो फिर भी हम लोग इसी चैप्टर पर काम कर रहे हैं. Things will be different when you will get it as a question in the real exam. इससे जस्ट पहले आपने एक टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस का क्वेश्चन किया होगा, एंड जस्ट आफ्टर दैट यू विल बम्प अप इनटू दिस क्वेश्चन एंड यू विल बी लाइक भूल जाओगे, ठीक है। तो इसीलिए जरूरी है दैट यू प्रैक्टिस अ लिटिल मोर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज सेशंस एज वेल, सो दैट आप कंटिन्यूएशन में रहो। यहाँ पर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, बट प्रैक्टिस अल्टीमेटली आपको करना है, फाइन। सो 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 12 is the answer. Now the next question is gonna be a very interesting question. I'll exactly give you 2 minutes to get the answer, okay? But just as the clock strikes 2 minutes, I'll get started with my explanation, okay? So here comes question number 4, a real-time interesting question. And this is I think this was a similar question was asked somewhere in CAT 2015 or 16, 15 I guess. Similar question. So you can call it as a CAT level question now. So in the second session of permutation combination, we have jumped onto the CAT level question. नहीं रिया, it's very simple. It's exactly the way आपने Nestle वाला question किया था. Just a tip for you people. It's almost or exactly the same thing which you did in the case of Nestle, starting and ending with a particular letter. Now Ria has got my keyword. जहाँ interesting word आया, yes, okay Tejaswini. Setu given an answer, okay. Anyone else? Okay, Tejaswini, okay, she's writing, she's so, okay, very good Tejaswini, I appreciate that you write down all the steps. Avinash, A, Ria, A. Finalize your answer, okay, only 45 seconds left, then I'll start the explanation. अरे नहीं तेजस्विनी, नहीं, आप इतने पहले से सीरियस हो कैट के लिए, जैट के लिए, यही देखकर इट शोज योर लेवल ऑफ डेडिकेशन सच्ची, बिकॉज एनी लाइक आई हैव सीन अक्रॉस ऑल दीज इयर्स ऑफ माय ट्रेनिंग, I have seen that people are only serious after the CAT notifications are out. Okay, so जो लोग उससे पहले अपना प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर देते हैं, those people do definitely better than the others. समझ नहीं आ रहा से तो आंसर दे दिया, फिर समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा, ये क्या बात है? तेजस्विनी ए. ओके, फाइन देन, शुरू करते हैं हम लोग. करें या नहीं करें? यू पीपल विल टेक मोर टाइम. डू यू वांट टू ट्राई इट ऑल? ओके. तेजस्विनी, जैट का फॉर्म भी ना निकल जाता है अराउंड कैट का जुलाई अगस्त में निकलता है, एंड वो भी जस्ट अगस्त में लास्ट एंड में निकलता है. ओके, एंड वो कैट हो जाने के बाद 1 वीक तक रहता है. तो इट्स दैट. ओके, 1 सेकेंड. दैट पीपल आर लाइक, उन्हें पता है कि कुछ लोग हैं जो कैट का एग्जाम खराब करने के बाद दैट का फॉर्म भरते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे कीप इट फॉर 1 वीक एक्स्ट्रा. और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जल्दी भरने से कुछ खास नहीं मिलने वाला, तो आप लेट से भी भर सकते हो. गलत है ना आंसर? अच्छा, वो नहीं पता मुझे से, तो मैं अभी नहीं बताऊंगी. हमें तो अभी से लग रहा है क्या होगा. नहीं, बहुत अच्छा होगा. ऑलराइट, फाइन. टाटा चैरिटी, हाँ, उसमें काफी वी गेट अ नंबर ऑफ गुड स्कॉलरशिप्स ओवर देयर, यू नो, काफी अच्छी स्कॉलरशिप्स मिलती हैं XLRI पे टाटा की तरफ से. ऑलराइट, यू शुड फॉल इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ कोर्स. एंड हाँ, वहाँ पे टॉपर्स की अलग है, 50,000 रुपीज रिबेट. ऑलराइट, so the teacher gave a distinct rank to 10 people and A to J in a class in such a way that A was always above B. Okay, so I'm drawing this out, but exam में your people are not going to do that. Okay, वो तो अभी results आएंगे तब पता चलेगा तेजस्विनी. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm going to tell you people something. अभी नहीं, अभी इसके बारे में कोई डिस्कशन नहीं. हाँ, मैंने कुछ सोच रखा है. I'll tell you people later. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now I know that A and B have their positions fixed, just like Nestle वाले question में starting position और ending position fixed थी, correct? So I know that. Fine. Now focus on this. Okay, I can have A over here, B over here, A over here, B over here, A over here, B over here. कहीं पर भी रह सकते हैं ये दोनों, कहीं पर भी रह सकते हैं ये दोनों. तो इस पार्ट पर आकर नेस्ले से डिफरेंट है ये क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि नेस्ले वाले क्वेश्चन पे what we did was it was a fixed position for S and it was a fixed position for L. तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. बट हियर द प्रॉब्लम इज वी डोंट नो कि A एंड B कहाँ बैठेंगे. वी जस्ट नो दैट A एंड B out of 10 are fixed. So how many are fixed? 2 out of 10 are fixed. So अगर 2 out of 10 fixed है तो remaining are 8. तो ये जो आप लोगों ने अंडरस्टैंडिंग में, लाइक आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग में आया दैट 8 पीपल हैव देयर वेरिएबल पोजीशंस, ये बिल्कुल सही आया. 8 फैक्टोरियल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माय आंसर फॉर श्योर. ओके, बट A एंड B के बीच क्या हो रहा है? डिड यू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट A एंड B के पास बैठने के कितने जगह हैं? हाउ मेनी पोजीशंस डू दे हैव? 10 places. They have 10 places out of which they will select 2 places. Order, अब एकदम क्लास नंबर 1 पे चले जाते हैं. Everyone will go to the first session. Order matters or order do not matter. I mean, अगर मैं swap करती हूँ तो क्या वो एडिशनल केस बनेगा? क्या वो चलेगा स्वैप करने पर? नहीं, because the condition is that I have to always keep A above B. तो अगर मैंने एक कंडीशन बना ली कि 10 प्लेसेस में से 2 प्लेसेस A और B ले रहा है, then can I further do into 2 factorial over here? नहीं, I can't do 2 factorial. I can't turn it into 10PC, 10P2. Why? Because A को ऊपर ही रहना है, B को नीचे ही रहना है. दैट इज फिक्स। तो हम लोग ये 2 फैक्टोरियल का आइडिया ड्रॉप करते हैं एंड अपना आंसर फाइनलाइज करते हैं एज 10C2. दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स A and B's 10 options, okay, and this represents the remaining 8. ऐसे समझो क्वेश्चन के आंसर को। रिया, यस रिया, सेतु को समझ में नहीं आता, सेतु ने करेक्ट आंसर दे दिया। हर बार ऐसे ही करता है सेतु, लास्ट टाइम पैसेज भी ऊपर से गया था इसका। ऑल राइट, सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर अस। ठीक है, 8p2 क्यों नहीं करेंगे? 8p2 इसलिए नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि 8p2 का मतलब है बचे हुए 8 पोजीशंस में से हम लोग 2 पोजीशन सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, बाकियों का कोई सीन नहीं है, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। एनी क्वेश्चंस एनीवन? कैट लेवल क्वेश्चन था ये, यू पीपल हैव एक्चुअली कम अक्रॉस अ कैट लेवल क्वेश्चन, so did you understand it good enough? Okay, because next what I am going to take up is the theory part. Okay, theory part, that is the title of this video. हाँ सही बात है, I agree. Okay, so the title of this video, the relation between number system and PnC. ठीक है, और ये सारे क्वेश्चन कैट के क्वेश्चंस हैं, प्योर कैट क्वेश्चंस, even that questions. Okay, so have a look over here. Look at the question number 1, I mean the first line ticked in yellow color. Count the number of whole number solutions of this equation a plus b plus c is equals to 12. मुझे बताओ ये कौन से चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है? Which chapter does this question belongs to? मैथमेटिक्स को ना चैप्टर में डिवाइड करके लोगों ने एकदम बकवास बना दिया है। You people should realize कि हर एक चैप्टर से रिलेटेड है, and only when you know the relation you will not only solve the question, you will gain the ability of guessing the question. आप question guess कर सकते हो कि इसमें आपको सामने वाला क्या पूछेगा. This might be the scenario that you are even knowing better than the test taker. सच बता रही हूँ. I'm no ways I'm going to belittle over the people who are making these tests, but this is true. वो शायद चैप्टर सोच कर बना रहे हैं, बट आप चैप्टर नहीं, आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग के हिसाब से आंसर कर रहे हो. सो इज दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम नंबर सिस्टम? कोई बोलेगा ये नंबर सिस्टम का क्वेश्चन है, कोई बोलेगा ये एल्जेब्रा का क्वेश्चन है, कोई बोलेगा ये तो मॉडर्न मैथमेटिक्स है, हमें सॉल्यूशंस निकालने हैं. ओ माय गुडनेस, है ना? सो ये सब चीज आपके काम की नहीं है. Deciding which chapter it belongs to is none of your business. हाँ, तेजस्वी ने linear equation algebra कहा ना मैंने, उसका question है. तो this is none of our business. Now look at the same question at the bottom. In how many ways can we obtain the sum of 3 numbers or 3 digits as 12? There is I'm tired of my bells, बट क्या करें, मेड को कोई मना नहीं कर सकता. यू पीपल नो दैट. ओके, उनको टाइम एडजस्ट नहीं करवा सकती मैं. दिस इज आउट ऑफ माई एबिलिटी और कैपेबिलिटी. ओके, सो इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन वी ऑब्टेन द नंबर द सम ऑफ 3 digits as 12? फाइन. सो आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट क्या है. ये ए है प्लस बी है प्लस सी है. इसको मैन्युअली करने जाएंगे तो हम बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, है ना? कैसे कर सकते हैं? 0 0 12, 0 1 11, 0 2 10 और ना जाने कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज है जिससे हमें 12 एज अ सम मिलेगा, है ना? सब कोई बना सकता है इसको, बट द थिंग इज एग्जाम विल बी ओवर एंड आप इसी क्वेश्चन में रहोगे. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द थिंग. ओके ओके अविनाश, दैट्स नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर दो, बट let's not jump to any conclusion right now. Let's do it one at a time. Okay, so question is basically this, और सेम चीज आपको यहाँ पर पूछा गया है. बाकी हो क्या गया? that people will create a analysis. देखते हो, एनालिसिस ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन आता है जस्ट एग्जाम के बाद. इतने क्वेश्चंस अलजेब्रा के थे, इतने क्वेश्चंस ज्योमेट्री के थे, वो जानकर मैंने क्या करना है? मुझे तो पूरी मैथ्स पढ़ के जानी है ना. हु नोज. ओके, एक और चीज है, ये मैंने अपने शॉर्ट्स में बोला था. Don't rely upon one topic of quants as your strong topic. अगर आपके 10 out of 10 क्वेश्चंस भी सही बनते हैं TSD से, So don't think that TSD is the only thing you will go and attempt, because you never know that in the real examination वो TSD में क्या twist डालेंगे, and TSD वाला question would be a tougher question than any other chapter. तो मैनेजमेंट एग्जाम्स का फंडा ये है कि उन्हें ये देखना है कि बंदा कैसे इजी क्वेश्चंस को फिल्टर करता है आउट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. तो आपको किसी भी पर्टिकुलर यू कैन से टॉपिक के लिए इमोशनल नहीं होना है. फाइन. All right, so coming to this, these two questions have the same answer. That means you have to find out the number of ways in which different digits can add up and make 12. Now अगर मैंने ये कहा तो मेरा कॉन्स माइनस में जाएगा. अभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है. ओके नाउ ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, अब जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, this is a little new to you people, might be new to you people. मुझे नहीं पता किसने पहले से ये पढ़ा है, but still I find this new. Okay, so please focus everyone. इसको निकालने का एक सुपर सिंपल मेथड है. इस चीज को निकालने का एक सुपर सिंपल मेथड है जिसे हम जीरोस एंड वंस मेथड कहते हैं. यू कैन नेम इट एज PNQ मेथड, PNS मेथड, कुछ भी, कोई भी दो वेरिएबल्स लेकर आप उस मेथड का अपना नाम बना सकते हो. आई पर्सनली कॉल इट एज जीरोस एंड वंस मेथड. एंड आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू टेल यू कि अगर किसी के भी पास नोटबुक अभी नहीं है या कोई नोट करने वाली जगह नहीं है, so you can note it, otherwise take a screenshot. okay, ताकि आप इस सेशन के बाद इसे नोट कर सको, बिकॉज इसको नोट करना जरूरी है, याद नहीं रहेगा. जीरोस एंड वंस प्रोसेस. तो अगर हम एक बेसिक इंटीग्रल सोल्यूशन निकालने जाते हैं तो वो एक बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है. करेक्ट. सो टू स्किप दैट प्रोसेस, one method which will always be working in these type of questions is, we will check the number on the right hand side. Can you people tell me in the chat box quickly please, which is the number on the right hand side? Which is the number on the right hand side? Number on the right hand side? No, Tejaswini. Just a second. Let us see. I'm telling you a completely new method, so don't jump to anything right now. 12. Very good. 12 is the number on the right hand side. So whatever is the number on the right hand side, I will consider that as my zeros. 12 zeros I have. Amritesh, not 2, 12. Okay, Ria, 12. Good. Now count the number of operators I have. Plus. How many plus signs do you see? How many plus signs do you see on the left side? Those operators are my ones. You can remember it like this, operators. Okay. So 2 plus and 12 is the number on the other side. Now here's the trick. All of you pay attention. Total. Find the total of 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 will give me a 14. So out of 14, we have to select the ones. That means 14C2. In a generalized way, if you want to remember it as a formula, then you can remember it as zeros plus ones, C ones. Zeros plus 1, C 1. C means combination. C means combination. Can anyone tell me the answer now? Can anyone tell me the answer now? Now solve it and tell me. Now solve it and tell me the answer. Red pen. Okay. Sure, Tejaswini. Sure. I'll just change that right away. No problem. Let's use a green color as you suggested. Why are you people taking so much time to find out 12 plus 2, 14C2? 14C2 we just did in the beginning quiz mode, right? C means we will have a numerator, we will have a denominator, and we'll open it. Very good, Abhinash. 14 into 13 and 2 into 1, cancelling 14 by a 7. 7 into 13 gives me a 91. So there are 91 possible ways in which I can use digits from 0 up till 12 to get the sum as 12, and that is also the number of whole solutions you are getting. Whole number solution starts with a 0, no, so we are including 0 also. When I will tell you a natural number solution, मैं वो आपको next session में बताऊंगी. Okay, I'll tell you in the next session. But before that, because that is what, that is with constraints, permutation combination with constraints, and वो हम next coming session में करने वाले हैं, because I will need more time for that. But tell me everyone, did you get the concept? This is the formula if you want to remember, or just keep it in your head, that you have to find out the number on the right side. Perfect, very good, thank you. Keep the number on the right side, that is 12, that is your number of zeros. Check the number of operators on the left side, the number of pluses, take that 2, then add them up. Total is 14 things which we have taken, and out of that we need the number of ones, that is 2. So 14C2 gives you the answer. The number of solutions, the number of ways in which you can form, everything works in this way. And ये दो बहुत ही difficult looking questions हमने कर लिए very easily. Okay. Yes, Riya, you need to practice so that ये खुद ब खुद आपके दिमाग में बैठ जाए, याद करने की जरूरत ना पड़े. We will practice that, don't worry. Now, I have a question for you. This is yet another CAT question. But इस question को करने से पहले I need you people to answer me this. A plus B whole square. Anyone knows the formula? A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Am I right? Yes? कितने terms हैं इस question, इस expanded form में? How many terms do we have in this expanded form? 3 terms. Yes, Riya, yes. Yes, G is in Tejaswini. Very good. Now. Formulas से बहुत पढ़ाई कर ली, ठीक है? अब कुछ समझते हैं. How do we expand this? How do we expand this? We put it in such a power. We put it in such a power so that the sum of the power is 2. You want to see that? High means what, Setu? Abhi kyun high? Alright. A to the power 0. B to the power what? अगर A की पावर 0 है तो B की पावर कितनी होनी चाहिए, so that the sum of the power should be 2. 2 होना चाहिए. Yeah, my comments are visible. Your comments are visible, Setu. Yes. So A to the power 0, B to the power 2 is one way in which I wrote it in the expanded form. Second way, B to the power, or let me write it like this, A to the power 2, B to the power 0 is the second way of representing it. A to the power 1 and B to the power 1 भी चलेगा? चलेगा ना? Because 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes. And same thing again over here, we will swap it and write it as same thing, B to the power 1, A to the power 1. इसलिए ये दोनों add up होके मेरे को दे देते हैं 2AB. Right? Yes. So इससे मिल गया B square, इससे मिल गया A square, इससे मिल गया AB, इससे मिल गया AB, सब मिलाकर A square plus B square plus 2AB. Fine. तो 3 terms मुझे मिल गए. Now tell me the number of times I got this out. The how, like, is it not equals to the same A plus B rule which I told you just in the previous slide? A plus B is equals to 2. तो 2 हो गया मेरा zeros, 1 ऑपरेंड हो गया मेरा ones, total हो गया 2 plus 1 3. So my answer will be 3C1. 3C1. Binomial theorem क्यों जरूरत है यहाँ पे? Like A plus B का whole square is the same thing, no? अच्छा, so by I did it, you are saying you did it, you know it. अच्छा ठीक है, very good. Very nice. So The answer will be 3 back. So are we getting the same answer जो हम actually expand करके लाते? Yes. Okay, Tejaswini, very good. So everyone tell me quick in the chat, what is the answer of this question? How many terms will you get when you will open a plus b plus c whole power 12? How many will you get? Oh, answer of 12 power. हाँ वो तो समझ गई मैं. That's why I said very good, Tejaswini. Yeah, Avinash, the question is, if I open this thing in the expanded form, how many terms will we get? Like this, in this case, we got 3 terms. So in this case, how many terms will we get? That is my question. And that is a pure CAT question. Pure CAT question. You people are going beyond the CAT level also, I can tell you. a plus b plus c whole square में कितने सारे terms present होंगे when you will open that up is nothing but the same application of a plus b plus c equals to 12. I have to distribute the powers in such a way that it always sums up to 12. Okay. Aha, very nice. Recently दिया था क्या जे तेजस्विनी? All right. So here we have 12 as the number of zeros with us. Here we have 2 plus signs, the number of ones with us. So I'll do the same thing. 12 plus 2, C2. That means 14 C2. The same answer 91. 2019 में दिया था. Oh, still fresh. I mean, ठीक है. It's good. You remember. You ought to remember that. All right. Seriously दिया होगा तेजस्विनी. बहुत लोग seriously नहीं देते जय. All right. Fine. हाँ बिल्कुल तेजस्विनी वो तो है. Fine then. So this question is done. We actually did a very difficult question in terms of number system. अगर number system के नाम पे ये question आता तो इस question को पता नहीं क्या क्या terms और difficulty levels के adjectives दिए जाते. But this was simple. तूने भी दिया था seriously. Very good. मैं किसी से marks नहीं पूछने वाली. Don't worry. All right. Okay. So everyone now focus. We have done this. We have completed this. Okay. Now PnC class पूरा bunk कर दिया था. Oh, that's what I see now. Okay, fine. Okay. So now what we people can do is, you people can practice a little bit with me. Okay, quick. Okay, on a quick note, I have a practice slide for you people. Okay. So let us practice. अच्छा ठीक है तेजस्विनी. All right. Okay, now listen everyone. This is what I'm going to ask you people right now. So the equation is, or see, the question is considered complex only when it is in words. Question is considered complex only when it is in words. मैथ्स का काम क्या है? ये थोड़ा ज्ञान है. मैथ्स का काम क्या है? द वर्क ऑफ मैथ्स इज टू टर्न डाउन ए लैंग्वेज इनटू नंबर्स, ताकि नंबर्स में हर चीज सॉल्व करना इज इजी. ठीक है. ए लाइक सेइंग दैट 2 + 3 is 5 is more easy in mathematics than to make a whole story around it that someone had the double the number of apples as Tony had. Tony just had a single apple, and then 3 times the number of apple Tony had was there with Stuart. Stuart's apple when added to the person's apple gives you how much? क्या है ये? 2 + 3 5 ही है, right? तो इसीलिए I'll give you a language based question now. The language based question says that out of, this color is visible, right? Out of the 4 fruits, mango, banana, orange and lychee, out of the 4 fruits, mango, banana, orange and lychee, Stuart bought a total of 20 fruits. In how many possible ways? Now you know the question. In how many possible ways can he buy the fruits? So apply your own brain, do the questions on your own. This is just a language based question of what we did just now, the number system part. Today I did not drink water. I'm feeling thirsty. You people think and answer. And the ones who have not liked the session will like the session also. The number of variables we have is 4. Mango plus banana plus orange plus lychee. And the total fruits I got is 20. I have simplified the question already for you people. Quick. Quick. I know the number is big, but the number is very interesting. What really takes so much of time? Find the number of zeros, find the number of ones, and then you know the formula. 0 plus 1s is the total. So total C ones. अविनाश क्या कर दिया? C निकाल दिया या P निकाल दिया? What did you do? Very close, G's. Very close. The number on the right hand side, I repeat, the number on the right hand side is the number of zeros I have. So the zeros are 20. The number of operators or the plus signs I have is the number of ones, that is 3. The total will be 23. So you have your answer with you, 23C3. 23C3. Say yes or no. So how will you do 23C3? 23 into 22 into 21 upon 3 into 2 into 1. I know this 2 will cancel off 22 here and this 3 will cancel off 7 here. So you have to do 23 into 77, which is very good, Tejaswini. The first correct answer, 1771. Very good, G's. That's right. 1771. Any doubts, any confusion over here? Okay, I am leaving you with a question. I am leaving you people with a question. Just tell me or give me a confirmation if you people understood this question. No doubt. Avinash, Riya, Setu. Okay, I'm getting answers from everyone. I will assume that you people don't have a doubt here. So I am deleting all the part which I wrote as an answer, and I am going to change the question a little bit for you and give it to you as a homework. So take it as a screenshot. Okay, we will discuss it in the next class. Fine. So the question is, in how many possible ways can he buy the fruits such that he definitely buys one fruit of each type? This is the constraint I was talking about. This is the constraint I am talking about. You already know 1771 ways in which you can buy the fruits. Okay. But now you have to tell me the number of ways in which he definitely buys one fruit of all category. And this remains as your homework. You can use the formula which I gave you in a very diligent manner. We'll discuss the answer in the next session. Most probably we'll have a session sometime in Monday or Wednesday, the next PnC session. Okay, and Tuesday, Thursdays are fixed for RCs only. So now because it's Friday today, we'll meet at 1:30 p.m. on Monday now, the next time. Okay, so those who have not joined the Telegram group yet can join it from the description box, link in the description box, and have the discussions over there. Meanwhile, if you people want to try this question, you can surely try after the session, and I will take your leave for now, asking you the last question for which I already got an answer in the chat. Thank you so much, Ria. Well, how was the session, people? This was the second session on PnC where I tried connecting PnC with number system, and I tried telling you how number system, linear equation, algebra, these are all sister chapters. One of its own kind in some ways, but generalized in one way. Thank you, Setu. Thank you, Avinash. You people will understand the importance of this session once you people go down and save some time in solving these questions in the real exam or the mocks. Because this approach of simplifying those questions which were asking you the number of solutions or something like that is a very nice technique. Okay. 3 answer you are saying, Tejaswini, into 3? No, Tejaswini, no. The number of conditions here will not increase. The number of conditions will decrease because you are already fixing 4 conditions. At least people will be getting 1 of its kind. Okay, so into 3 will not be the case. Thank you, Jeez. Thank you, Ria. Yeah. No problem, Setu. That's how you will learn. Okay, so these sessions are not to test your capability. These sessions are to teach you new things. Okay. So with this, thank you so very much. Okay, Tejaswini, we'll discuss about that in the next session. And with this homework for you people, I'll be taking your leave. Thank you so much for joining this session. And if you haven't liked the session yet, then please do like it and share it within all the groups you know for the CAT or the XAT preparation. That might be helpful for others as well. And this will also help the channel to grow. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I'll see you all on Monday, 1:30 p.m. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care. Thank you so much.